Kira pat mbak kemudian hanong bak selong haduk kilong kemilong keba kikon samla haduk ki heb barit hakanok phai sngi jong kasngi palai kila mi syakmat man pelong ke jengaki bajai-jai hap polis point laim kara selong kompimenta pan ai jeng kersan ni kisamla puli kemudian ya jengki kebajur janta mantar Delhi ha jenglam ka cockroach janta party.
My family, my mother is also here. We've come here to support what's happening in Delhi, and we're standing here in a peaceful gathering to give solidarity to the students, those who have also lost their lives because of the NEET leak papers, and those who have committed suicide. We are there. We've come here to support them and their families as well. And yeah, so basically, we just want to show that we will practice our rights and demand from the government what we deserve, especially for us, the youths, who make the whole part of this country, majority part of this country.
We have seen that the government.
Of course, that is not right, and that is, of course, on legal grounds. That is what is bad, and they are trying to put that on the students, which is wrong. They have come there. They were there just to do peaceful protest and peaceful march, and the aggression that they have shown. Many students have gotten admitted in the hospital, have been injured. I know some personal friends who've been lathi charged, and that is extremely wrong, and it should not be like that, of course. And I believe in the justice system, and I hope that they stand with the students and they do something about it.
So as a youth from the
And that we are united as well, and we believe that we have the right for a better future.
Thank you.
We as independent citizens of the country, we as parents, we as responsible citizens, we have just organized this peaceful gathering in order to stand with the students, the children who got beaten up brutally on 20th of July in Delhi. And the primary motto of this particular gathering is only to stand with them.
Okay.
Absolutely non-democratic, like police beating these students up, using tear gas on them. They are not terrorists. They are just students. They are here to question the government, and it's a democratic right of every individual to question the government, right? I mean, and if they're getting beaten up because of that, I don't think it's right, and that is the reason you can see all the people over here, because everyone is standing up to them, and this basically gathering is to just let everyone know in Delhi that they're not in this together. They are not alone in this, right? We are in this together. Like people from different parts of the country, they are supporting them, including people from Shillong.
A student's life is not a video game. We do not have many lives to live. Once a life is gone, it's gone. If you continuously have people leaks, then you might as well tell us how much hard work are we supposed to do, because these people leaks are happening because you already MLA son or daughter has already planned out a seat in university. Why are we working hard if you already have given the seats to others? Why are we supposed to continuously prepare ourselves for the exam over and over again if we already know we're not going to pass in it? So why? I want to question that. Why?
So we have seen that
My view on that is the recent interview between when a reporter asked one of the female officer that why are their name tags not there, and she said garmi lagi thi. What? Does that even make sense? That once you're feeling hot, you remove the name tag? You are not allowed. As police officers, you work for the people. You're not supposed to work under somebody's order. You work for us. You work to protect us, not to beat us.
okay, and as a youth from
To my friends who are protesting there right now, I support you guys wholeheartedly. We are here to support you because we know what's right.
thank you.